In today's tutorial, we will design a calendar using two different workflows. First, I will show you how to create it manually from scratch so that you can understand the complete design process. Then I will introduce CalenClick, the professional calendar design extension we built for both Adobe Illustrator and InDesign. Then I will walk you through how it works, how it streamlines the production process, and how you can use it to create professional production-ready calendars more efficiently. Let's start by creating it manually. We've seen how to create a calendar from scratch. So let's see how to create it or design it using CalenClick, an Adobe Illustrator extension. For many years, designers have spent countless hours creating date grids, adjusting layouts, managing holidays, and preparing calendars for print in Adobe Illustrator and InDesign. That's why we created CalenClick, a professional calendar design extension that transforms repetitive production work into a fast, accurate, and fully customized workflow. This extension works for both Adobe Illustrator and InDesign. So let's see how it works and how it looks. This is its interface. So in today's story, we are just going to go through the general option. Let's start by choosing the artboard to use. We are going to use the square option. After selecting the artboard you want to use, you click on create. So let's make some adjustments. We have the language preset. You choose the language to use. We are using English. Then we have this option of the cardboard, card padding. Card padding is the empty space between the content and the inside edges of the calendar. Why is it important? It prevents text, numbers, and images from touching the borders, thus making the design more clear and easy to read. So let's increase it to 3. So it is this distance. Let's make it 5, then we shall reduce it later. It is this distance I'm talking about between content and the inside edges of the calendar. I'm going to leave it at 3. Then we have what we call the corner radius. So I'm going to put 5. Stroke, let's leave it at 2. Then we have the column, rows, H spacing and V spacing. For columns, let's make it a 4x4. 4 columns, 4 rows. Then we have the H spacing. H stands for horizontal spacing. It controls the left to right distance between the elements. And in calendar design, it refers to the space between columns. It could also refer to the gap between the boxes. It could also refer to the space between icons, text on a design elements placed side by side. But remember, if H spacing is too small, dates feel grounded. Let's make it small. Let me demonstrate this by inserting one. Guess you can see how congested the calendar is. So we have to balance it, because if it's too crowded, the numbers end up touching each other and the calendar will end up looking compressed. So and if it is too big, the calendar wastes space. Let's put like 8. And the spacing is too big, so we have to create a balance. Let's use 5. That is okay. Then V spacing, which is the vertical spacing, which controls the top to bottom distance between elements. Let's use like 6. So let's see how our calendar looks like. So this is our calendar. We've got the holidays. We shall see that in the next video, how to bring this up. But we've created this in 7 minutes and we spent 15 minutes creating it from scratch. So CalenClick is an important tool to use. You can choose that you want. Let's turn on this option and we see how it works. 1 artboard per month. So we only have 1 month. Let's stick to having all the months on 1 artboard. So that is how easy it is to design a calendar using CalenClick. It's an extension that works in Adobe Illustrator and InDesign.